Learn how to make green frosting to make festive cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. I will be using the Americolor gel food colors, but use whichever gel food coloring you have available. You may just need to add more drops of gel food coloring. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Using 1 cup of your favorite white frosting, add 3 drops of green gel food coloring. Stir until the food coloring is completely mixed into the frosting. I personally like gel food coloring compared to liquid food coloring since you don't need to use the whole bottle to achieve the color that you want. Continue adding 2 more drops of green gel food coloring until you are happy with the green color. This color will only be the base. If you would like to add just a little more color, dip a toothpick into the gel food coloring and add it to the frosting. I want a deeper shade of green, so I will also add 1 drop of blue gel food coloring, mixing until it's completely combined into the frosting. Continue to add a drop or more of blue gel food coloring until you are happy with the shade of green. Now add 1 drop of yellow gel food coloring and mix it into the frosting. Like I said before, if you are not using gel food coloring or the Americolor brand, you may need to use more of each color to get the shade of green. Continue to add a drop or more of yellow gel food coloring until you are happy with the shade of green. The longer you let the frosting sit, the darker the shade will be, so it's best to make the colored frosting in advance. Green frosting is perfect for any cakes or cupcakes that need grass or leaves, and for more festive decorating for other holidays like Easter, Halloween, and Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.